Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I gotta remember to look at the lens and not the little flip out display on this camera. So I'm using the ZV-E10 Sony camera and it's got the little flip out lens over here, or display. Pretty cool camera. I'm gonna look right here. So one of the videos that I just published was about the Rode VideoMicro Microphone. Actually, the one that's on top of the camera right now, and it is a neat little microphone. It's probably one of the best ones I've got now. I do have a couple of lab mics that are nice. It works really well. There's not much distortion. I am outside on my back deck right now. It's November 24th, 2021. It's about 55 degrees. I got shorts on. Beautiful day. Thought I would come out here and try to make a video, see how the microphone does, see how the camera does. I've been playing with the auto white balance and ISO and everything out here, but I want to talk to you. I got three things I've learned about this microphone that I did not know about, and I want to show them to you. First off, the camera, and I'm going to go to a video here. If you just stick the microphone capsule on the little bracket that comes with it, it can vibrate a lot. If you move around, if the floor shakes, whatever, if you don't have a good solid surface that you're on, the microphone can shake and it can cause jitter in the audio and scratchy and whatever else. I know it's a technical term. I found out that if there are little grooves in the mounting bracket, you can take your 3.5mm cable that plugs into the microphone and it connects in those little grooves and it stabilizes the microphone so it doesn't move. That's pretty cool. That's the first one. The second one, if you look at the microphone itself, it has the company name Rode right on top of it, right on top of the capsule. That needs to be straight up and down. If it's on top of your camera, it needs to be straight up and down. And if not, the wind can hit the sides of it and your sound will not be level and be off. So that's number two. Number three, the dead cat that they send you with. You can buy all kinds of little foam pop filters and whatever else. I've got the dead cat on top of it right now. It has a rubber sleeve on the inside of it, and it's the first one I've ever seen that had that. It actually, if you don't get it on the microphone good enough, it can wobble around and cause distortion. So it's got a little lip on the inside of that rubber insert that fits on a groove on the microphone itself, and I'll show you that. But those are the three things that I found so far. The camera itself has like 29 pages and 10,000 parameters you can change. It's really wild. Sorry about that, it was my dog. But the microphone works really well. It's $50 some odd on Amazon, and hopefully you can tell it, because I am 4.5 feet away from it right now in the wind out here on my back deck. And hopefully it's turning out pretty good. If you have any questions, I'll try to find out find the answer for you. If I don't have it, get them, girl. I hope everybody's having a great day, and I hope everybody has a good Thanksgiving with their families and friends. And until the next video, thanks for watching. We'll see what that crazy dog's up to. Get him!